right. Okay, so you're gonna serve with rice. What you do, you have your chicken here. It's the same thing like you're doing a taco. Okay, so make sure you fold it. Okay. The same like the taco. The same side down. Okay? Same side down. I think I'm gonna give them this. Okay? They should go in the oven. Okay. I don't have time, so you can put this on top just to melt it. Okay? And then put some green onions. So this is my enchilada, chicken enchilada. What do you call it in English? Chicken enchilada. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do chicken enchiladas or chicken enchilada with steamed rice. I'm gonna saute my veggies. I'm gonna show you what I did for my chicken enchiladas. I got my chicken which is marinated and cooked. I got my enchilada sauce. I got my enchilada sauce. I got my chicken. I got my garlic. I got my sliced. I got my onion. I'm gonna drop my onion here. Seriously. My onion. I'm gonna add my peppers. My spices. I got chili flakes. I'm gonna do them very quick. I got Tex-Mex spices. Tex-Mex. Paprika. I want to add my garlic. And also got some adobo spices. I got my peppers sauteed. I'm gonna season with salt, some peppers, stir it a little bit. I'm gonna add my chicken to it. Stir it, make sure everything is mixed together properly. Blend in all the flavors. What I'm making is chicken enchilada. This is my chicken, that's the way I do mine. Other people might have a different method or different ways. I'm gonna use this cheese instead of Mexican cheese. Oh man, good. A little bit more kick. Yeah, a little bit more kick. Oh man, woo. This is good. This I'm done. I'm going to show you my presentation. My chicken for the enchilada is done. So I'm going to take it, put it in an insert. It's a half percent of the pan. Ready? That's right. Okay, so you're gonna serve with rice. What you do? Have your chicken here. It's the same thing like you're doing a taco. The seaside down. I'm going to give them 2 or 3 or 2. Where you're going to go. So we have the sauce. This is the enchilada sauce. Okay. Put on top. Then put some cheese. Okay. This should go in the oven. Okay. I don't have time, so you can put this on top just to melt it. Okay. And then put some green onions. So this is my enchilada, chicken enchilada. How do you call it in English? Chicken enchilada. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and follow. See you next time.